How to buy Bitcoin in eToro. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this following video, I'm going to show you how you can buy Bitcoin in eToro. So in order to buy Bitcoin in eToro, it's a very simple process. All you have to do is go ahead and log in into your eToro account. Once you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. In order to buy Bitcoin in eToro, you'll have to make sure that you have enough funds. Along with that, you have already linked a bank account. Now then, to begin with, go ahead and tap the trade button, and from there you need to go ahead and tap the buy button. As you click the buy button, next page, it's going to show you this sort of interface where you actually need to select what you actually want to buy and enter in the exact amount that you wish to buy, and you have to add a payment source from where you're actually paying the amount in order to buy crypto. So then you have to do the transaction procedure, all sort of things, and click on the deposit now button. As soon as you do that, you've successfully bought crypto on eToro. In that way, you can buy Bitcoin on eToro. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.